What does alleviated mean?
Gone.
Gone. Cured.
Yes.
No more headache.
No headache. Yay.
That's amazing. It's February 23rd, 2021, and I'm Dr. Deuk Majin. We just finished performing a cervical Deuk laser disc repair on this young lady who had 3 degenerated and herniated discs in her neck. She would have been a spinal fusion candidate for a 3-level cervical fusion. She didn't want that.
Nope.
She wanted the laser surgery. We did it with a 4mm incision, fixed all 3 discs, and where are you headed now?
Back to the hotel and then home.
Yeah, and as you can see, she's from South Carolina. She came and visited us from South Carolina.
Yep.
And she came down here. Why'd you come to Deuk Spine Institute in Florida?
Because I've watched you on video and you're the only one I wanted to do the surgery because I didn't want to have pins and needles, or not pins, but
Metal plates
and all that. I didn't want that, so.
Yeah, she educated herself and learned the most advanced spine surgery in the world is done right here at Deuk Spine Institute. Now, before surgery, you told me the thing I've got to get rid of the most is what?
The excruciating pain in my head and my neck.
Okay. And do you still have that pain now that surgery's done?
Well, as much as I can turn, feels like it's alleviated.
What does alleviated mean?
Gone.
Gone. Cured.
Yes.
No more headache.
No headache. Yay.
That's amazing. No headaches, it's gone. She had pain from here shooting up into her head.
Yeah.
And it was from the herniated disc. And most doctors don't know that herniated discs in the neck cause horrible headaches, but they do. And with the Deuk laser disc repair, we get rid of about 95% on average of those headaches. Now, what about your arm? You had left hand numbness, tingling?
Just in my fingertips.
Okay, before surgery, is it any better?
I feel great.
It's gone.
Yep.
Awesome. You happy?
Yeah, I'm thrilled. You have no idea. I'm absolutely thrilled.
She came out of surgery 1 hour ago. If you watched her surgery this morning live, she came to the recovery room about an hour ago, and she's now standing here getting ready to get out of here. So, at Deuk Spine Institute. Great to see you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
For your appointment.
Look forward to it.
All right.